Well, hello out there. Happy Saturday. Good morning. Good morning. So here's a live look in Galveston. Look how beautiful that is. Today, this weekend, today and tomorrow, really a great beach weekend. So a November beach weekend. Why? We're dealing with near record warmth. Wait till you see the temperatures in store for today. And then rain chances, they are expected to arrive on Thursday. So we are tracking rain finally for the upcoming week. We have a really strong, powerful cold front. Until then, look at this, clear skies across the board, just beautiful. Here's a live look at the Galleria area. Notice on the west side, not a cloud in sight. I'll take a live shot here in Conroe. This is a beautiful shot in Montgomery County this morning. Love this. This is where 45 meets Highway 105. And this is a beautiful park if you want to take a little walk around. Really nice day to do so. Comfortable temperatures this morning, but we are going to be warming quick. Let me dive into it. So winds are playing a factor here. Winds are starting to shift. So we will by tomorrow catch more of an east-southeasterly wind. Today, overall, they're mostly calm, so you won't notice much in the case of a wind for your Saturday. I think it'll just be really nice when you catch a little bit of a breeze out there. Overall temperatures about the same as yesterday. You're talking plus or minus a couple degrees there. Area-wide temperatures right now, mainly in the 60s, 61 in Tomball, 65 in Sugar Land. Notice from Cleveland into Liberty, you're still in the 50s, really comfortable into Conroe. So light sweater maybe early this morning, but we are warming so quick today. We are tracking mid to upper 80s and no sweaters will be needed. In fact, even outside in short sleeves, it's going to be a warm one today. So warmer this afternoon. Again, area-wide temperatures mid to upper 80s. Warm is the takeaway for your Saturday. So what should you wear this morning? I'm saying short sleeve kind of a day. You put the baseball hat on. Why? Because we're going to see an abundance of sunshine today. You're going to want to block all that sun. And I don't know, tennis shoes kind of a day. So again, you warm up pretty quickly today, short sleeve kind of a day. Your ragweed, if the pollen has been bothering you lately, the ragweed is running high. Your tree and your mold spores are both at moderate levels. It's mainly been the ragweed that's really been the issue. So all my allergy sufferers, if this is the irritant, it's that time of the year, stay on top of the meds. All right, today and tomorrow, we are completely dry. We start off the work week, notice Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, with non-existent rain chances. But notice the spike on Thursday. Thursday is going to be one of those days that we have to carefully monitor for the potential of maybe even some heavy rain. This is a system that's coming out of the Pacific. And they have had a series of systems that's really been impacting weather there. I mean, they saw some really heavy rain over the past 2 days. It's going to start to shift eastward. Now, the first two miss us completely. This area of high pressure is going to basically block any rain chances that we could see. But see, what's going to happen as we round the corner to midweek, this high is going to back off, and that's what's going to allow some of those rain chances to sneak in. So another area of low pressure out of the Pacific Basin that has a lot of moisture to it. So not much of a cold punch. Temperatures won't be dropping a whole lot with this, but this feature is really going to enhance our rain chances. So notice next rain chance arrives late next week. It looks like it's going to be Thursday right now, but the timing could change. I mean, we are still a week away, but I would say at this point, if you have anything on Thursday, heads up, the potential of some heavy rain is very possible. And not only that, we're gonna have to watch maybe even for the potential of an isolated strong to severe thunderstorm. So Thursday is going to be the day next week that we will watch carefully. It does look like it passes, but this is going to set off I think a series of rain chances for the remainder of the month. And potentially that leads you even through Thanksgiving. So notice our rainfall outlook from November 21st through the 25th. Look how a big part of the area, state of Texas, and then of course up across the Midwest as well, is looking at above average rainfall. Here locally, that is going to be possible right through Thanksgiving. A series of systems are going to kind of parade across the area. And it's not going to be every single day, but I think it will happen over every couple of days. We'll start to see more of a rain chance. As far as your temperatures go, we don't change a whole lot. I think November 23rd through the 29th, so your long range outlook, we're still looking really warm, and that's a big part of the East Coast as well. Now, West Coast, this is where temperatures are expected to be below average, and we may may tap into that, eventually as we head in towards the end of November. But even with the rain chances increasing, it doesn't do much to our temperatures. So again, temperatures stay really mild, but it's the rain chance that'll creep back in. Okay, overnight tonight, we could see a little bit of early morning fog, so we will be mindful to watch for that for your Sunday. Otherwise, temperatures are mild. You're tracking mid-60s, 65 for Spring Branch, 64 in Jersey Village, North Shore around 65. So mild across the area, mid-60s. We are a good 12 degrees above average for this time of the year. Now looking ahead to the extended 7-day forecast, notice today I'm expecting a high of 84. Sunday we creep into 86. Do you see how we're starting to come close to our daily record high temperatures? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and then notice what happens as far as our rain chance on Thursday. Thursday will be one of those days, right now I have it as rain, but the potential of some strong thunderstorms will be possible on Thursday. This will be the day that we're going to continue to monitor very carefully over the next couple of days. All right, well for now, I'm meteorologist Chita Craft, and we will see you live on TV, or you can always stream us as well coming up at 9 o'clock this morning. Hope you have a great Saturday.